Hello everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to fold a boomerang paper airplane. It's a really fun and easy game. All you need is a piece of paper and follow my instructions, and you can create your own unique paper airplane. Greetings to all of you for coming back. I need a piece of A4 paper like this. Step 1. You need to fold the paper in half horizontally like this. Make sure the edges are aligned for the paper airplane to work best. Step 2. Open the paper and fold it in half vertically. Fold from left to right to get the center point. Step 3. Fold the right side down to form an isosceles triangle. And do the same with the other side. Continue to open and flip it over. Pay attention to the 2 points numbered 1 and 2 that I've marked. Fold point 1 to overlap point 2 as shown in the picture. Remember to do it gently and smooth the edge of the paper. Step 4. Continue folding the right wing from top to bottom as in the video. Apply to both the left and right sides. Step 5. In the middle like this, fold the bottom nose up at this position to get a paper crease like this. Then open it and fold the sharp top and the marked point again. Step 6. So we have 2 paper creases. The simple thing now is that you fold these 2 paper creases together to get the 3rd crease. Then open the paper and fold from the outside in as in the video. Step 7. You open the paper and you will see 2 points like this. Our job is to fold both wings in to create a straight line as in the video. Be careful to gently use your fingers to just create a crease in the paper. Do it gently and slowly for the best results. Here are some tips for you when you practice. Choose the right paper. A 4 paper or colored paper with medium stiffness will help the plane fly more stably. Fold carefully. Sharp creases will help the plane fly in the right direction. Experiment multiple times. You can experiment with different paper sizes or make slight changes to the design to create unique paper airplanes. So we've finished folding the Boomerang paper airplane. Do you find it interesting? Don't forget to share this video with your friends. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel to watch more interesting paper folding tutorials. Thank you for watching.